have why do I say you know what I mean on video? Because it's not like you guys are gonna be like, yeah, Jess, yeah, we know exactly what you mean. Yeah. Hi everybody, my name is Jess Cole and welcome to my channel and welcome back to those that saw my first video. I wanted to film like a little get ready with me. I have an interview to be at in about an hour and a half. I wanted to film something absolutely out of my norm, and I wanted to film a little get ready with me of makeup that I wear to work. Something simple, just simple, pretty makeup that I feel comfortable wearing out to my job. So, really quick, before I did anything at all, I took a shower, I did, I got all that done. After I washed my face with a cleanser, right now I'm using the First Aid Beauty Cleanser. After I washed my face with that, I did a mud mask. I'm an addict for mud masks. I don't know what it is about them, but I absolutely love mud masks. And the one I tried this morning, which has left my face feeling like literally a baby's butt, is Grace and Stella's Dead Sea mud mask. I got this in, I believe it was an Ipsy box. You can find them on Instagram at Grace and Stella or graceandstella.com. Super big fan of this. So after that, I'm trying to kind of go through the samples that I have. So after that, I mixed 111 Skin Vitamin C Brightening Booster. There we go. I mixed 2 drops of this in with my moisturizer, and today I use and I will say this wrong. This is another sample I got from, this one was Sephora, I believe, the Sephora Playbox. Oh, I'm gonna sound like an idiot. Kadali? It's a moisturizing sorbet. It's moisturizer. Smells really good. It's pink. It's good for sensitive skin. I'm a big fan. I've used this a few times and have enjoyed how my face felt every time I used it. So, since I'm wearing day makeup and I don't like to put a whole bunch on during the day, I use this CC cream. It's called Herborian. It's like a sunscreen and just really light coverage, and I just put that on lightly all over. Okay, so now that we have the it's basically tinted moisturizer, making sure my skin is completely ready for whatever I'm going to put on it. Now that we have that on, I am going to go ahead and quickly do my brows. When I'm doing my brows for just going, I don't carve out my brows or anything ridiculous when I'm just going to like work. I just kind of line them with my Colourpop. I line them with my Colourpop Auburn eyebrow pencil. I wonder if it's called, oh, Brow Boss. I didn't know that's what it was called. I've been using this for months and months, like 6-7 months, and I never knew it was called Brow Boss. Well, I feel like a moron. So I just kind of brush them out, and I do something super simple since I'm not really doing a look per se. I grew up and I'm bitter. 0 out of 3 now. Thought that I'd be quicker, but I'm heading out the way for sure. Said that you'd be waiting, and now it's been too long. There we go. See the difference, because I have very weird eyebrows. So, and then I usually set that with a little bit of powder. I use the ABH Brow Duo in Auburn. I use the light shade to just kind of set this pencil in place and to give it a little bit more, you know.
I wish that we could turn back time back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls.
Especially on this eyebrow, because this eyebrow is like super struggling. Like the way it's growing in, super struggling. And then I just put a little clear gel on to keep them in place. I'm currently using the NYX Control Freak. There we go. And those are the brows. That's it. That's all I do. Now we're going to do a little bit more foundation. Right now I'm using the NARS Radiant Longwear in Deauville. It's their light 4. I'm incredibly pale. Doesn't matter what time of year. I have like their medium 1 and that mixed with this actually kind of makes the perfect shade for me. And then we are going to do a little concealing of all this nonsense. For just my daytime concealer, when I'm going out, I just use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. It's an oldie bit of goodie. I love this thing. I set my under eye with the Becca Hydra Set and Refresh powder. It's amazing. I don't use it. I use it for like when I'm out and I'm wearing makeup. But I won't use it for pictures because in pictures it gives me personally a lot of flashback. At this point I set my whole face with I'm in love with this powder. I love this powder. It's my Smashbox Halo Hydrating Perfecting Powder. I just set my whole face with it. I'm addicted to this stuff. It's freaking amazing. It just is. Fight me. So I don't use a ton of it because you don't need a ton of it.
When we were teenage girls and on tomboy t-shirts, when life was good and I worn out sneakers, when we were fine about complications, those were the days.
Now that I'm happy with my complexion, I move on to blush and bronzer. So I usually will throw a little Hoola on, not a ton. Like I'm really pale. That's just what I am. I'll put some on, but I don't like to look ridiculous. You can hear my dog snoring. He's a silly butt. Then I put a little blush on. Blush is the same way. I don't put a ton on. I just kind of put it where I blush. Right now I'm using the ABH Blush Trio in Pink Passion. I'm a really big fan of these because I can use it for my day blush and my Instagram blush. Look at those. They are so pretty. I'm going to go for the I'm going to go for the one right here because it looks the most natural for me on my face. And then a little on my nose. And a little on my chin. So I'm excited. Now we are on to the eyes. And the eyes are super simple when I'm going for like work stuff. We're going to do something super simple. I'm just going to blow some stuff out and put a little lightness in. And so I picked up the Modern Renaissance and Soft Glam palette from ABH. Then we are going to start with the Buon Fresco in the Modern Renaissance palette. Wow, why can't I say that? Put that all over the lid.
I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and now.
And then we're going to just put a little of the Dusty Rose on. They look really similar, but whatever. We're just going to put a little on the outer corner.
When life was good and I worn out sneakers.
And kind of build it into the crease a little. We're going to pull a little of the rose pink from Soft Glam. Pack a bit on the inner part of the eyelid. And then we are actually going to take a different little flat brush like this and grab Vermeer from Modern Renaissance. And we're just going to put that in the inner corner. So it's like a pop of lightness in the inner part of our eye. And then we're just going to pull a little of the Buon Fresco underneath the eye on the outside, not all the way. So I'm just going to put mascara on, and that's really the eye look. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Bag of mascaras. Let's try Urban Decay Perversion, just because it makes me laugh. And I'm going to an interview, so I feel like pervy lashes are perfect.
I grew up and I'm bitter. 0 out of 3 now. Thought that I'd be quicker.
Okay. All right. So now we are just going to do highlight and lips and we're done. I don't want anything too crazy, so I'm actually going to grab the Kalon Kosmetics Illuminator in Golden Glow. This is one of my very favorites right now. And I'm just going to pull just a simple poofy brush to get some. And just kind of... It's not, you know, crazy glow, but it's appropriate for what I'm doing. And then I put a little on my nose. All right, so now all we have left are lips. And then we will be ready to put the outfit on and go get this job. Please. I've been very, very lucky to receive a few packages from Colourpop. I'm part of their ambassador program. I have a code. It's 5 Just Cool Beauty, and you can save some money every time you shop at Colourpop.com. And they recently sent their entire collection of lip tints, and they come in these little 2 packages. There's 2 in there, and the peach is actually my favorite to wear for situations like this, like meeting, daytime glam. They just make me feel beautiful. I kind of use them both of the ones that come in that set per look. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to line my lips. The liner I've been using is Rimmel London. It's just this kind of nude, little nudie doody. And we're just going to line. I don't dramatically overline or anything. It's going to, oh, and I had prepped my lips in the shower by using one of the Jeffree Star Velour lip scrubs. The one I used today was lemon, and first of all, it smells delicious and makes my lips feel wonderful. So they are all prepped and ready for lip color. So I'm just going to line my lips.
But I'm heading out the way for a show. Said that you'd be waiting, and now it's been too long. Been too long. I wish that we could turn.
And then I use the darker color Z Boys first.
Time back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls.
And then I use the lighter color, and that is Rise and Shine, just in the centers. Right before I go in, I'll usually pop on a layer of my Kalon Kosmetics liquid lip in Latte. So I'll just let you see what it looks like. This gloss smells amazing. I also have a code with Kalon. I will leave all their information, the information for Colourpop, the information for Kalon. My code for Kalon is Jess, Jess, and you save money off of your order. And this is the final look. I'm just going to pop my outfit on, my shoes on, and head out the door. Wish me luck. And my dog is scratching. Go, Jackson. Wish me luck, and I will let everyone know how it turns out. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave me a comment down below, and that's about it. I appreciate you guys for watching.
Turn back, time back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine.